What is up, everyone? It is March the 12th and we got like a good 6 inches of snow. Some places even had 8 inches of snow, and this is just absolutely crazy. And so we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna have a hike. We're gonna go to the gorge, probably get some Miguel's Pizza a little bit later. We're gonna walk around. Hopefully this video is filled with beautiful scenery. I got the drone packed up, maybe get some drone shots. But man, I'm just telling you, look at this. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoy the video.
I think you just had it like 2,000 degrees in there, so.
Yeah, when I first got out of that truck, I said, oh, it's warm.
Yeah.
And now I'm probably dead already.
How we doing, Michael?
Cold. A little cold.
We've arrived, boys.
Whose idea was this?
It was yours, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
We've arrived to the old natural bridge. We're gonna go up the original trail, up to the top, circle back around. It's cold and beautiful. Well, there's one thing about it. You cannot beat the beauty of these places. These state parks, man, it's hard to beat because they're protected, and you get like a little glimpse of what an old growth forest, not necessarily old growth, but what a mature forest is starting to look like with these huge, I mean, look at these hemlock trees. I mean, they're just ginormous. Look at this. When you get those mature trees like that, you get such a beautiful understory. Oh man, it's just incredible. There's the bridge. We are going into what's called Fat Man Squeeze. We're at the top. Just a little further to go and we'll be on the bridge.
Go first, John.
Packs you going.
Well, ain't the order, or not, I mean, there's the order to you.
Oh, first line?
I had to you.
Yeah.
I tell you, man, somebody not much bigger than me'd have to get a ways to come along and get through her.
What I have got. I've got the stuff to make a cup of coffee with.
Oh gosh. Let's go, baby. Let's go. The natural bridge. Look what a view. My goodness.
No, you don't.
We made it to the top of the natural bridge. It is a sight to behold. These are things in life where, like, it's something you have to experience. Like, get outside, go on a hike, enjoy creation. Man, it's remarkable. It is remarkable. You have to, like, pictures and images and video does not do anything like this even remotely close to justice. So it's really good to get out today. March 12th, snow on the ground, beautiful mountains. Man, it's just awesome.
He a runner, he a track star. Is that gonna make the video?
Oh yeah. We're coming down the mountain. We probably got about a quarter mile left, half mile, something, I don't know. And sorry if I'm out of focus. And man, again, can't say it enough. You have to experience these things and be here, but it's absolutely beautiful. This forest, hope you can, the video gives it a little, just a taste of snow and these forests, hemlock trees and rhododendron, and it's just incredible. Thanks for tagging along, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. We're going to Miguel's and getting some pizza after this. It's gonna be great. No trip to the gorge or natural bridge is complete without a visit to Miguel's. Alrighty fam, we got our bellies full of pizza and L8, Ben & Jerry's ice cream. We got some souvenir bottles and stickers from Miguel's. If you're in the area, the Red River Gorge area, I highly recommend it. Some good eating. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, just like every other YouTuber who makes one, I will say please subscribe, like the channel. If you like this kind of thing, like these kind of hiking videos, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna get out of here and get back home, hang out. Great day of hiking. Thanks for tagging along. We'll see you.